Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. By going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Google section. Then scroll down, click on Autofill with Google, and passwords. Now, if you don't see all of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Then log into one of your apps and click on Save in Google Autofill pop-up to add your password. This way it will appear over here. Now to add a password from those settings, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then you can enter your website data or tap on Select App. Now just tap on the chosen one. I will go with Facebook Lite and enter all of those informations, username or email, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're ready, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!